Hello again, welcome to another Rob Garrett video. I'd just like to have a look at this lovely little low mileage HYUNDAI i20 1.2 Comfort, finished in the red with the alloy wheels. Lovely clean little car, all nice and tidy inside. Plenty of room in the back of these. Decent amount of boot space for a small car. And you've also got your tools under there. There's a spare front number plate. And underneath there is a space saver spare wheel and a jack. So everything you need. All nice tidy bodywork. Controls there for your electric windows, front and rear. Electric door mirrors. It's also got the folding mirrors as well. So let's just take a look. 33,000 miles with a full service history. Car's had 8 services up to date. It's got the air conditioning, the heater controls there, radio CD with the Bluetooth function, so you can answer your phone whilst driving using these controls here. It's also got the voice activated, so you can access your phone book. And you also got the sockets there for your auxiliary input and your USB and your power socket for your devices. 5-speed manual gearbox. Let's just show you the mirrors there. You press this button here, both the mirrors fold away. So that's useful when you're parking. Also comes with 2 remote keys. Nice HYUNDAI keyring with it there as well. And then you get controls there for your radio on that side. Radio volume. Let's just take a look outside the car again. Very smart looking car with a low mileage, cheap to run, falls into the low £30 road tax bracket. So if you're looking for a cheap little run around, very reliable, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email, and thanks again for watching.